We are long overdue for a new cheesecake recipe, and this pralines and cream cheesecake really hits the spot. It's a no-bake recipe studded with roasted pecans and smothered with pecan praline sauce. So first let's make the crust, and I'm just whizzing up some graham crackers with melted vegan butter. You can really use any cookie or cracker that you like best, and you can even make this entire recipe gluten-free simply by using a gluten-free cookie base. As you see, I'm using a springform pan with the bottom removed, and that's also lined with an acetate cake strip. This just makes the unmolding way easier and gives the final cheesecake a much cleaner look. So go ahead and get that crust into the refrigerator while we prepare the cheesecake portion. The difference in my recipe compared to all the other ones that you'll see is that I use a custard for the base. By cooking the milk with the brown sugar, cornstarch, and a bit of agar, the result is a super creamy yet firm cheesecake that does not need to be served frozen like so many of those other recipes that I've seen. And I've already soaked my cashews, and I do add vegan cream cheese to my no-bake recipes, but you can really use any brand you like here because this is a no-bake recipe, so any brand is going to work. Next goes in that hot custard, and then just whiz it up smooth. Now I'm just folding in those lightly roasted pecans and pour this luscious, creamy, dreamy cheesecake right into that crust. You are going to have to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, but preferably overnight. And now we can make the pecan praline sauce for the topping, and that's just brown sugar, vegan butter, and plant milk boiled together. You are going to want to cook that to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it comes up to that temperature, you can add the salt and the pecans. Now these are not toasted. And then I add vanilla extract, and I'm also adding butter extract. I really do like this ingredient. I add it to a lot of my vegan recipes. So I'm just bringing this nut mixture back up to a boil and then let it cool until you're ready to top your cheesecake. That's it, guys. It's really simple to make this decadent cheesecake recipe. Just look at this slice of heaven. It does not get any better than this. I hope you're going to want to try this recipe. Definitely comment below and let me know what you think. And real quick, a great big thank you as always to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for making all of this happen. These folks are funding this effort to offset the hefty cost of ingredients that it takes me to test and perfect these recipes so that I can continue sharing everything here for free. If you think you can help for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out how. All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.